me hope Alice get a comeback one day and hope that she comes back because we have to forgive her. No, I mean I eat Alice shit crab. That pissed me off. No, Queenie said it. Queenie was right there on the live. Queenie said me want Alice crab. Everybody was on the live. Queenie said me want Alice crab. You change your flight again. Yes, I did. Forgive what we won't forget and eat. Just like how you eat and get fat. Buy crab from Abby. Me no know only Abby. Where she do can't run out. No, but a long time. She not have no space there for shit again, guys. I don't know. They look like they do over the place because I don't know how it looked before, but there's no place to shit because the counters are there and it's straight. So anyhow she shit them, I go see this time like red handhead. She not have no place for shit no more. You're crazy. Leave her, man. No more talent show. Brittany Gold fan page. 0 following. Brittany Gold fan page. Yes, Sunday me there. Why never buy it? Because I wasn't alive. They have bathroom now. They have pipe, everything. She godly, I use the same shit, but oh my god. Why you change your flight? Why people just change the flight? Now if I stop back longer, no, me change my flight because me change me want man, don't stress me out. Enough chance, but not my stomach. Well, I don't think the government give her a chance, so we should give her a chance too. You understand? Me sorry for her, man. Uno, please. Me sorry for her. Me say, Alice, they just sit down like... But come to think of it, big man like a share shit in a bucket. Come on, man, Alice. Do better than that. You know they're jail. You couldn't go to the back of the road and shit us. Oh, come on, Alice. Think about it, man. Come to think of it, a nastiness that for trying to shit in a bucket. So why you never eat it then if we must give her a chance? Well, next time we come back to Jamaica, I give her a chance. Not this time. She just come back. Give her a chance. Give her some time for this shit thing for stop. Oh, stop. Give her some time. This shit conversation must stop one day. Mm-hmm. Like what Rosalita say, yeah. You eating? Oh, sorry about that. Me say she shit hero circle. But the same era, uno go back go eat a hero circle. Uno give her a chance, man. If you see how Alice look, Alice not stand good, guys. Me sorry for her, bad. That's why me give her the hug because belly hurt me a little bit. Okay. People just play match this early, man. We are Jamaicans. It will never stop. We will remember. So you will never eat from Alice shit crab again. Alice again? Yeah, she need to, maybe she stop bleach and her face turn. Me not know. Oh, fuck. Hold on. Okay. Alice need to louder food thing. Let me yuck. I pause the live. I did pause the live. I mean, I know I think it's the mango. I did pause. You hear it? Oh, bomber clouds. Sorry, man. Alice crab. I did pause the live. Enough I do worse than what she do. Exactly. Hold on. Guys, look like me have to come off live just now. Whenever you take me gone off live, okay? I'm gonna probably turn off the camera. Hold on, hold on. Yeah. I'll come off live soon. I'll use the washroom. I wanna eat the mango so late again. No, I never eat Alice crab. I never eat Alice crab. I think it's a mango. I know, you did tell me. I think it's a mango. But why this happen so fast? They not supposed to take a couple of hours? Who for crab you eat the woman at the last? Me don't know what she name. Hold on a second. That's crazy. I think it's a mango. No, I mute it. I mute it. Oh, pure fat, me fat. I think it's the mango. The mango, the mango, the mango. Roy, get up the third, knock your shit. No, I must know when me on shit. I will not take me food yet, I must know when me ready for shit.